What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.028, down about 0.45 on the day. Market cap 899 million. 24 volume 73 million. So if we hop into the chart, yeah, we are starting to pull back now. We're currently in a nice little short trade. We're about to hit our TP1. So we have a double bottom. Now this may be a 5-wave impulse. So if we pull back and we can hold, let me just ignore these white lines. They're just my TPs and my stop loss for the signal that I gave in the Discord. So if we can hold this zone, then you would have a 1, 2, and you'd push up 3, 4, 5. If the 78.6% breaks, then it gets a little bit more risky that you're going to create a lower low. But until then, we have a double bottom, potential impulse, pull back. Looking at BTC, it should pull back as well before continuation back to the upside. So watch this zone in between 0.02627 and 0.02752 for a bounce back to the upside for our friend Gala, and potentially look like we may create a little bit of a triple bottom here. So we come down, create a nice little triple bottom, and then bounce back to the upside. If we start to break these lows, it is what it is. The next major level of support is down here at 0.0212, but decent chance. You can see a nice divergence here on the 4-hour that we just pull back a little bit before continuation back to the upside. That's what I would like to see. We'll have to see how that plays out if we can hold these lows and bounce from this target zone. All right, gang, that's it for this one. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Once you make your first deposit, it can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me email, give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We're in 2 trades right now, so I'm not going to open that up. As well as Forex signals and Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. If you do not want to go the BITUNIX route, sign up to the Patreon, $10 a month. Smash up that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.